Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be covering the basic installation procedures for our hood mount light bar kit for the 2018 and up Jeep JL Wrangler. Installation requires only basic hand tools and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. Now, installation of these brackets really couldn't be any easier. You're going to use a T40 Torx bit to remove these two top bolts off the cowl. With the stock hardware out of the way, we can install the included hardware into the cowl, securing the bracket. Now, what's really nice about this kit is you'll notice that this is perfectly matched OEM grade hardware. This is specifically for this kit for the JL Wrangler. So the spacers are gonna go down first, then we'll set the bracket over the top, and then secure it using the bolts. With the bracket secure, you'll just repeat all the same steps on the other side and you'll be ready to install your light bar. Now, installing your light bar is just as simple, if not simpler, than installing the brackets, but we do recommend having a second pair of hands because this 50-inch can be a little long and awkward to hold across the hood. Now that we've got our light bar mounted, we're going to show you how to wire it up. Included in each kit is one of our OEM switch bank harnesses, which allows you to quickly and easily connect your light bar to the factory switch bank on your JL if it came equipped. Now, we also include one of our dual output heavy duty harnesses if you'd like to run a separate toggle switch, or if your JL didn't come equipped with the factory switch bank. Let's get started. Now, as we mentioned before, this particular Jeep came with the auxiliary switch panel from the factory. Jeep has included 4 power wires for this exact purpose, and you'll notice them tucked in behind the battery. Now you have 2 10-amp power wires, which are your orange and your blue, and the brown and green are both 40-amp wires. For our purposes today, we're going to be using the brown 40-amp wire that's connected to the #1 auxiliary switch on the inside. Now, Jeep has also included a factory grounding point for this exact purpose. You'll remove the nut by using a 10mm socket. Attach your ground wire and secure it. With your ground secure, we can go ahead and connect your power wire. We're going to remove just a small section from the factory wire to gain access. With just a couple millimeters of power wire exposed, you'll go ahead and plug it into your butt end connector and crimp it down. With your power supply and your switch connected, you can go ahead and run your light bar wiring however you see fit and test for proper function of your light bar. With your new hood mount brackets installed, you'll now enjoy a clean, simple solution for mounting auxiliary lighting. When paired with our 50-inch light bar, you'll also get dramatically improved visibility while retaining a clean, OEM-like look. These brackets are available right now on diodedynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.